Alright, this is a quick review of my Cannondale cruise control handlebars, which I have installed on my Ozark Trail Ridge 29er mountain bike. I noticed that there were no reviews whatsoever on YouTube about these bars, and I think they're great. These are very similar to the Surly Sunrise bars. However, they are alloy rather than aluminum alloy rather than a chromoly steel. So they're going to be a little bit lighter weight. I am 53 years old. Been riding bicycles since I was 11 or earlier, but as far as really serious a serious hobby since I was 11, and I will tell you right now, my back isn't what it used to be. My joints, whatever, I can't lean over those bars like I used to, and so I need a little bit more upright riding position, even for a mountain bike. And the 25 millimeter rise bars that came with it was not cutting it, and I had ordered a set of other bars, which I will show you. These were called Upan bike bars, and they were supposed to be 50 millimeter rise. They ended up being 40. Now I will say, I don't know how these manufacturers measure these things. They're not doing it right. It's supposed to be center to center, center here to center here. And setting that up to measure it is pretty difficult, but like Cannondale claims that these are 110 millimeter. They are not. Center to center, they are 85 millimeters. So that's the thing. These Upan bikes, they claimed 50 millimeters. They're 40. I got tired of, once I got these and they were better but not good enough, I was like, I'm going to go for it. So I got these. These are great. I mean, they're not as tall as I thought they were going to be, but they are tall enough that I can ride on flat ground and not have to push up with my fingers on the bar. I don't know what this part of the hand right there, top part of my palm, but I used to have to sit there and push up all the time and sit up in order to ride. Now, as you can see, these bars also make an excellent place to put my cable lock. I really like that. That is an added bonus, and it's something I got spoiled with riding BMX cruisers, is having bars like this, and so I really like them. I'm going to take this off so you can see the bars better. They're really good looking bars. They are what is it, 31.6 or 31.8, so they fit a mountain bike stem. Had no problem installing them. I really like these marks they put on them so that you can center everything. Fine bars. Now, I couldn't find them in the US. They've sold out, and I don't know if they've discontinued them or what, but I had to find these at Merlin Cycles online. And it took a bit for them to come from England to get to me, but I am happy with them. Now, there are other bars out there. Like I said, there's a Surly Sunrise. I've seen a couple of other versions that were also alloyed. One was too low a rise. It was about like that. I didn't get the exact measurements of it, but it looked low, 30 or 40 millimeter. And then there's another one that is way more expensive. It's over $100, and I'm not paying that much for a set of bars. I'm not doing a lot of serious downhill yet. So I'm not going to spend that kind of money on bars. But these are great. I paid, I think, $16 for them. I don't know what the shipping was. It was not bad. It was like $10, $15 or something for the shipping. So overall, you know, it was still less than $50. Nice for these bars. Cannondale Cruise Control Handlebars. They give it kind of a nice clunkerish vibe, which I like, and then they are definitely tall enough for me without being too tall, not being ape hanger status. As you can see, I played with the stack washers until I got it just low enough that I liked it. Originally this stack washer was down here, and I just kind of went through the stack washers. I had the stem all the way down to start with, and just kept putting a stack washer in until I felt like I was comfortable. So that's that. And I am 5'10", 5'10", and I have long legs for my height. So that does kind of factor in. As you can see, my seat post is pretty far up on this medium size Ozark Trail Ridge 29er mountain bike. But yeah, love it. Much better. Love moto bars. Alright, thank you for watching.